Hello, fellow traders. It is Nutty Bar. It is Sunday evening. It's 10 o'clock on a Sunday evening. So, pretty odd that I'm doing an update video. But it is very, very necessary. I misled you guys, and I need to make it right. I completely misspoke. I had a brain fart. I don't know if this ever happens to anyone else, but yeah, I just completely forgot that this is the week, Monday, tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I am not I'm not in the area. I'm actually, I guess, full disclosure, we are making a very quick trip to Florida, and we are looking at a home. That's what I'll be doing the next 3 days, and I just completely forgot. I don't know how I forgot, but I did. I just did not until Sunday. I was this morning. This morning, all of a sudden, I realized, wait a minute, I can't stream tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday. Oh man. So anyway, that's the main thing I wanted to go over, just to let you guys know I will not be streaming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll be back on Thursday. And I guess, we'll be back. But also on top of that, I also just wanted to do a quick recap on, I guess it would be Friday. I took like two very small trades on Friday. Ended up being pretty much a break even day on my Apex accounts. I did have a little bit of profit on these trade day evals, which you can see I did trade these, I traded these evals, $500 in profit. I'm done for the day on these. Again, these are evals. I need to trade these for 7 days, so I'm just taking it slow. But also, so Tradeify, my Tradeify evals, I'm trying to remember. Thursday I was trading those Tradeify evals on stream. And then Friday night, in the night session, I was trading them in the night session. I was up like $300, and I'm not I'm not sure what happened. Full disclosure, and this is not me trying to, I'm not trying to cop out here, but I really don't know what happened. I came back from golfing, and they were gone. My accounts were blown. So now I did have my charts up. I had my computer here. I had my charts up, everything, and there were 4 minis. So 4 minis were traded at 12, I think it was 12:22. 12:22, which I wasn't around. I mean, the only thing I can come up with, I tried to ask a little bit my son and ask if they were in here pressing buttons. Supposedly they were not. It very well could be that I put some orders there. I don't remember doing it, but whatever. Anyway, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It was evals, so I'm not that upset about it, but I'm just more confused about it than anything. Because I went golfing and I came back and I thought, okay, we're fine. Kind of thought we had an okay day. And I come back and they were blown. I was so confused. Anyway, I'm not sure who to blame. I'm not gonna blame anyone. I'll take responsibility for it because I was the one that had my chart open. And the reason it makes me think that maybe that's what happened is because my chart was open and my leading account was the active chart. So if someone accidentally hit some buttons, that Tradeify account is what would have been traded. So anyway, a little bit of a lesson for me, because going forward, I think I will close all my charts and just, yeah, close everything. It's just not worth the risk, because you know how 3-year-olds can be. They can start pressing buttons and not know the consequence. So yeah, I gotta do a better job of locking it down. Anyway, that's not that big of a deal. So I'm just gonna do a quick kind of Saturday recap on where we're at with my accounts, kind of where we're going on the journey. That's going to be part of this video. I'm just going to kind of do everything in one, and hopefully this won't be too long of a video. Also, before we do that, I am probably going to be trading tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, my flight leaves at 9 o'clock. We land in Florida at 11 o'clock, and then we have our showing at, I think it's 1 o'clock. We'll probably be around 3. I probably won't trade much tomorrow. But I probably will trade some in Tuesday and Wednesday. So I don't know. I'll be sure to keep you guys in the loop, and I will do daily recaps or recap everything when I get back. Just keep you up to or keep you in the loop. Sorry, I forgot how to talk. All right, let's just do a quick summary on how we're doing. Here we go. This is Tradezilla. And I kind of want to, yeah, this is showing my 14 Apex accounts. And it's kind of crazy. Like you can see here, I thought it was pretty interesting. Last September, we basically went sideways from last September to January of this year. We basically just went sideways. And then we had a nice move higher. This is obviously my P&L chart, but recently we've been going sideways. Kind of to show here, if I only show the date range since May, like from May 1st to today, like this is really how it's felt with trading my Apex accounts. I've just been going up and down every time it feels like I'm getting really close to a payout. I have like 2 or 3 bad red days in a row and just kind of lose my mojo. So hopefully we're kind of right back. As you can see, we're right back to that previous resistance. So hopefully we can have a breakout here and we can secure some payouts on these Apex accounts. As you can see, these 5 accounts, the balance is 44,000, 45,000, and almost 46,000. But basically, we're about $500 away from being able to request a payout. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to request a payout when I get there. I was originally thinking that I was wanting to basically build up those accounts to a little bit bigger of a balance, but the way I've been trading, I don't know. I've been really tempted just to take a payout, take a pretty big payout. I don't know. We're going to wait and see, but I don't know. I've been kind of going back and forth. I guess we'll figure that out when we get there. But yeah, my trading, I would say my trading has definitely been we're not trading well. We're not trading that great, but we're also, I don't know, it could be worse, I guess. It could always be worse, but if we look here, this is June and then this is July. As you can see, we had a decent week, which we really needed. Had about $5,000 in profit overall. That is across the 14 accounts. So hopefully we can do that again this week. And if we can, we should be able to request a payout. That's the hope. But other than that, we're basically trying to pass these trade day accounts. And then on top of that, we're going to try to probably pass some Tradefy accounts. Right now, Tradefy is redoing their website. I'm waiting for their website to come back up. But that sums it up pretty much. I wanted to show this. Also. I thought I was pretty happy with. I kind of redid my profit and loss for prop firms, kind of a summary. And I think it just makes more sense visually. Here, I'm just going to show you this. Basically showing the graph, and this is only showing my profit and loss per prop firm. And I don't know, I really like how the visual, as you can see, Apex trader funding, we've had 5,700 in expenses, 41,000 in payouts, with a net profit of 35,000 and a return on investment of 608%. My funded futures, We've had 9,200 in profit. Take Profit Trader. We all know my history with Take Profit Trader. It's a small miracle that I'm green, but I will say this. This is just tracking this year only. This is not tracking like my full history with Take Profit Trader. I'm pretty sure overall I am net negative on Take Profit Trader. Unfortunately, I didn't track all this until this year. Going forward, I definitely will be. I really like this. Then we have Tradefy, which is $44,800 in profit. That, I mean, I've definitely been doing really well with Tradefy, but I've also incurred quite a bit of expenses in these last 2 months with Tradefy, just trying to get back after I lost my live account and trying to get back on that horse. So we've definitely been struggling with Tradefy recently. I'm not going to go through each one of these. Obviously, we have Lucid Trading. We got 2 payouts from Lucid. Unfortunately, we did lose those accounts. So I think Lucid right now has a promotion running. Buy 3, get 1 free. I think I need to recheck. I need to recheck that promotion, but I think that's it. If it is, oh man, I'm going to be tempted to get some more Lucid accounts. I don't know. It's like the juggling act on, okay, do I want to invest more? And obviously my expenses then increase. But of course, I mean, it is true. Expenses are just part of trading. It's part of prop firm trading. And I think, again, that's why I want to track this, is so that I'm just being a little bit more responsible with my expenses. Then we have Top Step. I haven't gotten a payout from them this year. Haven't really been trading them much. I might try to, I don't know, tick trader and then you profit, whatever. But I don't know. I've been kind of, since I did this chart like this, I'm kind of motivated to go on a challenge where I'm my challenge is going to be net profitable with all these prop firms by the end of the year. So I don't know. I kind of like that challenge. Even if it's just one account, I might try to do that. But then this here is just a graph. This is a graph showing the net profit and loss. So you can kind of visualize it. And here are the red ones. But anyway, I really like the visual. I think it makes a lot more sense than the other graph that I was showing. And then I'm showing this as well. This is my net profit and loss per month instead of per prop firm. And as you can see, we had a negative January, we had a negative June, and hopefully we can, yeah, we're on the right track to have a profitable July. You can kind of see we had a crazy good March, 47,000 profit, April with 25,000, and May we were at 20,000. Then June we just fell off, just completely tanked, had $2,000 loss. But now in July we're at 12,000, and hopefully we can get maybe an Apex payout toward the end of this month. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But that would be great. But if not, we'll have a good start, hopefully, to the month of August. I'm not going to try to get too aggressive and just trade what I see, and hopefully we can get there. But anyway, that kind of summarizes it. I wanted to do this video. I was going to do it in a couple different videos, but decided, you know what? It is 10:30. We leave for the airport tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And I'm not done packing yet. I need to pack my laptop. I need to update my laptop. I got all kinds of things I still need to do. So I decided, you know what? I'm just going to do everything in one video, and we'll go from there. So anyway, I'm sorry that I misled you guys earlier in the week. And we will be back on Thursday, Lord willing. So anyway, that's it, folks. I hope you guys have a great 3 days of trading. I hope you guys all stay green. And we will be back. Take care and God bless.